Afternoon to all the students. We have learned in first exercise about mean and range. Let's start from mode. Mode is another form of central tendency or representative value. The mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. जो मोड वो होता है जो एक सेट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन में सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम रिपीट होता है. Second, median. Median is also a form of representative data. Now, in exercise 3.2, we will learn about median and mode. Let's start exercise 3.2. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is given this. There are 19, 25, 23, 29 and so on. ये 15 स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स हैं आउट ऑफ 25. फाइंड द मोड एंड मीडियन ऑफ द डेटा. आर दे सेम? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड मोड, देन मीडियन, एंड देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आर दे सेम. You have to find median. First of all, you have to arrange all the given data in ascending order. I am writing all these given the data which is given in your book in ascending order like this: 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 23, 24, 25, 25. Now mode. Mode is 20 because this number is repeating mostly. This number is repeating maximum times. This number 20 is repeating here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the 20 is the mode, occurs maximum number of times. Median. How we will find median? First of all, I will count how many terms are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 terms. So I will use the formula n plus 1 by 2, yani 15 plus 1 by 2, that is 16 by 2, that is 8. It means I will find which is 8th term. I will find in the above given ascending order which is 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8th term. It means my median is also 20. Yes, mode is also 20 and median is also 20. It means yes, both the values are same. मतलब both have median and mode have same values. Second question: the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. There are scores given by 11 cricketers and find the mean, mode and median. In this question you have to find the three items: mean, mode and median. Are the three same? Next question. First, I will arrange in ascending order. I will arrange this given data in ascending order: 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. This is ascending order. Then I will find the sum. Sum is mean. Mean means sum of all observation upon total number of all observations. I have to find mean. I will add all these numbers and I will divide how many numbers are there. I will add and divide by 11 because there are 11 numbers. 429 by 11, it means my mean is 39. And mode is 15. Why? Because 15 is repeating maximum number of times. Here 15 is repeating 1, 2, 3 times. So my answer is mode 15 occurs maximum number of times. Now median. The formula of median is n plus 1 by 2. Students, you have to learn this formula: n plus 1 by 2. N means total number of items, total number of observations. There are total number of observation is 11. It means 11 plus 1 by 2, 12 by 2. It means 6. It means my sixth term in ascending order, I will find my sixth term is 15. Look at this. My sixth term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 15. So the mode is 15. Now the last question: are the three same? No, these three are not same. Okay. Next, third question: the weight of 15 students in kilogram is given. You have to find the mean, mode and median. Not mean, you have to find mode and median. First, I will arrange this given data in ascending order: 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38 and like this up to 50. Now mode and median. Second part, first part is you have to find mode and median. Which number is repeating maximum number of times? Look at this. Look at the data: 38, 38, 38 and then 43, 43, 43. It means two numbers are occurring, two numbers are repeating in same time they 37 38 is repeating 3 times and 43 as well is repeating 3 times. It means I have two modes here, 38 and 43, both occurs 3 times. Now both occur 3 times. Now median का formula होता है n plus 1 by 2. n means number of observation. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. There are 15 numbers, so I will use 15 plus 1 by 2. It means 16 by 2. 16 का मतलब 8th term. 8th term is, I will find out which is 8th term. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 40. It means my answer is 40. Median is 40 and mode are 2 30 and 48. Second है second question is, are there more than one mode? Yes, there are two modes. Last question, fourth question again you have to find mode and median. This is the given data. I will arrange this data in ascending order first. 12 12 13 13 14 14 14 16 19. Then mode, which number is occurring, which number is repeating maximum number of times? 14. 14 is repeating 3 times, 13 is repeating 2 times, 12 is repeating 2 times. So I will not take these two as mode. This is my mode 14 because it is repeating maximum number of times. Median means n plus 1 by 2, and how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 plus 1 by 2, 9 plus 1 means 10 by 2. 10 by means fifth term. Which is fifth term? 1 2 3 4 5. It means 14 is my answer. Median is 14. There are true false. First I have note statement. You will do these questions yourself. I will explain only this part, mean. These numbers are given in your book. You have to find the mean of these numbers. I will write all the same formula, sum of observation upon number of observations. Sum किया तो 64 upon number of observation 8. I will cut and 64 is 8. 64 is divided by 8. Answer will be 8. Question is asked, if the mean is 9. No, mean is 8. It means it is false. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.